Hi, it's Lynn, also known as Chicago, and I'm ready for a video. Or as my husband teases me when I say I'm getting ready with my nephew Tristan, who's right here on my trusty tablet. I don't know if you can see him. We're ready to storm the beaches of Normandy. I don't know why, but that's what we're ready to do.
Yes, I changed my profile picture to a blue dragon.
Okay, he changed his profile picture to a blue dragon. So we are going to review Crystal Clear Calls by, it's Soundcore by Anker, totally wireless earphones.
Yeah, and she doesn't have any stores near her. She can't find a way to get it online, so her daughter gave it.
Yeah, no, these are my daughter's, and actually I found them on Amazon, and so you can pick these up for anywhere from $69. Ah, the dog! Okay, let's put this down so you can see what I'm dealing with here. Oh, this Doge just loves me. So Bella will do the review. Bella, look over here. Look over here, poop. Come on, look over here. What do you see? There's Bella Chan. This is Bella Chan. So anyway, we're doing this review, and I have the dog on my lap, and I'm outside because you know what? Here in the suburbs of Chicago, to have a day as nice as today and not to take advantage of it would be a crime against humanity.
Not a crime.
It's a crime against humanity. Oh, you're getting caught in the microphone. Okay, Bella. Okay, so anyway, these are called Crystal Clear Calls. Life, we know I'm blind. Life P2 totally wireless earphones. Soundcore by Anker. I've had products by Anker, and I can tell you, they're a bit on the cheap side, but they work. They're good. You know what I mean? They last me a year, 2 years. So if you break down the investment rate by day, it's like, okay, so they worked for 5 cents a day, and it comes out. So you open the box.
High tech.
High tech, yep. And this is what the box looks like. I'm outside. I hope you can see.
When you're ready, let's start off with the first category. Look, design.
Okay, so the first category you think is design. All right, so it comes in a box like this. Great big instruction book, which I'm not going to open because they're all basically, well, the way they're packaged looks pretty good. What do you think? And look, you get 4 sets of earbuds in case you have big ears, you have little ears, and I'm sure they always come with 1 pair. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets, from your smallest little teeny ears to your biggest, woof, big old ears. So they thought of that. It's a regular mini, charging cord. I like that it's Velcroed so that you can keep it together. Oh my God, the ladybugs are out. The biting ladybugs. Okay, so you can take out the package. It looks like this. Very nice, very sleek. Yes, I'm rubbing plastic. I understand that. Okay, so they give you quick directions, a quick get started, yada yada. So this is probably your best bet instead of opening up that booklet. But everybody by now has had earphones. And as normally, I'm sure they come with a little bit of charge, because you want to charge them all the way down until they're dead and then recharge them full. That's how you make the batteries last longer, right, Tris? Okay, so, ooh, look.
I can't really see them.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hope...
Wait, try me again. Let me know when you have the glasses in your hands. Oh, I thought they were glasses.
No, honey, no. These are earbuds.
You said they were glasses.
No, I'm not gonna test the glass. You can't do nothing but put glasses on. The kids got me sunglasses from Japan. I should put them on, but I have these glasses on instead.
No, I thought the earbuds were also the glasses.
Oh, no. Oh, you thought my Bose sunglasses? No. Okay, so... I'm sorry. So they come like this. Like I said, they already have a wire in there. It comes with a removable tab.
Not really pretty, just black.
No, they're
cute.
They're cute. Okay, yeah, you see? And you can tell it's charging in the in the container. So we'll
Alright, so
take off. Hold on. Hold on, sweetheart. We're going to take off that sticky. And this is what they look like. I know it's windy. Okay, so they have a little tiny speaker. They're pretty lightweight. How do they feel in the air? Ooh, I just touched it. Battery high. Okay, so my battery is high. This battery is high.
alrighty.
Huh, okay, so I don't like that. I think you know what? I think I'm used to the air conduction of my Bose because you can hardly hear. So I guess they're noise canceling. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so I'm going to try and pair these up with my Apple phone, and I'm going to call my nephew on his iPad.
Wait till the end of the video.
Okay,
So,
so
alright.
I'll test this with music first. Well, let's see how easy it is to connect. So you go to settings, Bluetooth on, and okay. Turn Bluetooth off, and then I have so many things attached to my phone. Ooh. Okay, I'm hearing sounds in each of my ears. Okay, Soundcore Life. That just came up. Okay, Soundcore Life P2. So it connected quickly. I just hit the left earbud. If I'm talking loud, it's because it's noise canceling, so I can't hear myself speak. Am I loud, Tris?
No, not really. You
Okay.
might want to turn it down a little.
All right, thanks. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So it seems music only comes out of this one. Hey Tristan, what sound am I listening to? Can you guess? If you want to get with me. Okay, so it seems like the music only comes out of this ear. Battery high. Oh, you have to turn them both on. Oh, now it's in Robotussin. Okay. I like it now. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. It's awesome. Okay, let me turn this off. This music off. Oh my God! For sound, let me take one out. Sound quality, banging. I put the a song that has a lot of bass in it. You know, the bass down low, and freaking awesome, great sound. So it says here that the battery life charge for 10 minutes, listen for 1 hour, 7-hour playtime, 40 hours with the charging case. Okay, crystal clear calls via 4 microphones with noise reduction. Okay, Tristan, go in the other room. I'm going to try and call you. Superior sound via graphene drivers, waterproof, and one-step pairing. Okay, I'm going to now try and call my nephew on his iPad. So I'm going to FaceTime. All right, it's coming in from Antlin's cell phone, FaceTiming you. I hear nothing. I hear ringing. Oh, the ringing is loud. Hi. How do I sound? See? Okay. Look into the camera. Okay, tell them how do I sound? Do I sound okay? It doesn't sound too windy or anything. I sound clear? All right. So I think we're going to give these the Lynn and Tristan thumbs up. Yes. What do you want to go over? I already did that, honey. We did that. It's very comfortable in the ear, and I already said the design is pretty basic with like Apple iPods. They're comfortable. They're good. There's no way that I can put it on the video with the sound that I'm hearing right now. But yeah. So Tristan says I sound okay, and I'm FaceTiming him live. And I'm outside, so everything is wireless. Well, Tristan's rating it a 1 out of 10, but that's not fair because he doesn't have them in his ears. I'm gonna give this because I don't know about the length of time. I'll find out about the length of time. Wait, what is that sound? Is that a speaker in your mouth? Is the speaker in your mouth? What is in your mouth? What is that? Okay, I'm sorry. We're distracting from the video by things Tristan's doing. I apologize. Okay, can you not put that in your mouth so I can hear you good? Okay. Well, okay, Tristan, I'm going to hang up now. Thank you for the test call. Go back to the portal. I don't know what it's in your mouth, but okay. All right, so I'm going to take these out of my ears. And hopefully they turn off when I put them back in the box. So the sound quality is really, really awesome. Noise cancellation, yep, that's a real thing. They're labeled left and right, as you can see them. Hopefully you can see that they're charging. There's some charge in the case. So this feels good. This top, unfortunately, feels like it can snap at any minute. So this feels nice and weighty. It feels good, you know, it feels ergonomically correct in your hand. So I like it. I like it. And if it really does last as long as they're saying it lasts, which is, don't judge me on the hair. I dyed it yesterday. You can't do nothing with dyed hair for a couple of days. So shut up, people in the comments. I know you. So if it does play for 7 hours,
Wow.
I mean, that's like right up there with the earpods. What are the iPods? The ones from Apple, the Apple headsets.
Yeah, the AirPods.
Whatever the heck they're called. Oh, I lost the case. But yeah, I mean, with the assortment that it comes in, you know, I would not mind getting a gift like this for Christmas or giving a gift like this. It's pretty quality. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. And waterproof, right? Water.
If you have some money to spare and you want some good headphones, then go ahead and buy it. Maybe make a review on your own, and then you fiddle with it. Go around with it. Use the
Yeah.
thing. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more bangers from this channel. And
yeah, it'll be better once Tristan and I can actually be in the same room together doing reviews. And that's gonna happen soon enough, right, Tris?
yeah.
It'll happen. We love doing YouTube videos, like doing them together. It's kind of hard doing them apart.
And you guys are the supporting force that keeps us going.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
part
true.
of it, and then also because
That's true. We
help
just,
people and be fun.
yep, we enjoy doing it. We really, really do. We enjoy it. It's fun. it's something to do that, you know, my generation didn't get to do. I hope you guys can see my face, but because I am blind, you're always supposed to keep the light in front of you. So hopefully you're seeing everything, because me personally, I'm blinded by the light. Wrapped up like a
Blinded
goose
by
in
the
the night. Blinded by the light. Yep, that's me. Okay. All right, so that's my review. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Thank you for watching.
All right, we'll see you later. Peace out, peoples.
Yes, later. Bye.
Bye.